Here's a quick video of the DC runner from Aqua Medic version 2.2. I have it running here in a bucket. It draws 23 watts, full power. This pump is nearly silent. I have it sitting in a bucket here, and the noise it's making sounds more like a water going through pipes. It will be easily made completely silent in a cabinet, much easier than the 50 Hz, 60 Hz hum from a normal pump. When the pump is not running in a full power, so let's say I put it in like 60%, which is not 60% of power, because the lowest settings on this takes roughly half that, so 10 watts. If we go for the middle one, we're drawing 15 watts. And again, the pump is practically silent. This is actually pretty amazing. I've seen some other videos on YouTube, but they don't do this pump justice in terms of how silent it is. This is actually truly incredible.